Okay, ladies. Inshallah, last grammar explanation for week 4. And this, again, is together with present simple. We know this sentence here, Mr. Richard teaches this class, is present simple, yani routine. We have es, because Mr. Richard, yani he. I could change this, Mr. Richard. I could put I teach this class. Yeah, same. So we know that, khalas, fi s, bidun s, done. The other thing we need is these words here. Always, usually, often, sometimes, never, not often. These are called adverbs of frequency. And they talk about yani the time. You know always yani kulyum, every day. MashaAllah, class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4. We always study. Okay? Mariam always does her homework. Every time, MashaAllah, shatra. Always is the strongest. Usually, yani, most of the time, sir. So, for example, Shamsa usually does her homework. Most the times, yes. Sometimes, shway late. Usually and often have the same meaning. Okay, same. Shamsa usually does her homework. Shamsa often does her homework. Coming down sometimes, yani, as you like, 50-50, not always, not every time, sometimes. Who shall I use? Mira sometimes comes to class. Mira sometimes does her homework. Haram, yani mub shatra. But Mira shatra, alhamdulillah. But sometimes yani like this. But then never, khalas, no. So I could say Fatma never does her homework. Yani every time, mashay homework. Haram Fatma, not fair. So these words, yani about the time. We put these words before the verb. Mr. Richard always teaches. Usually teaches, sometimes teaches, never teaches. Yani coming before the verb, okay? Nice, easy. But then we have a problem. Hamda is late. If Hamda is late every day, we would use always, of course. Because always, yani every day. Let me just zoom out. Okay. But for sentence 1, with the verb, Mr. Richard always teaches. For sentence 2, with the be verb, Hamda is always late. So these words come before the verb, but these words come after be verb. Layla is never absent. Safa is never correct. Mira is always correct. Yani be verb, this is coming after. Another verb, these are coming before. Okay, khalas, small video. If you have any questions, send me a message.